Hi everyone, I'm Jenna Jevin, the presenter of Group 3, and we'll be talking about proteins and their role. First of all, what is protein? Protein are essential macromolecules found in all living organisms, with diverse function, crucial for cell structure and function. It is also an essential component of cell and is responsible for a wide range of physiological processes, including metabolism and cell division and immunity. Protein structure. The structure of a protein refers to a physical organism of the amino acid that make up the protein. A protein structure determines its function, and changes to a protein structure can lead to changes in its function. Proteins are composed of a long chain of amino linked by perpendicular bonds. Protein functions. We have enzymes. Catalyze chemical reactions, speeding up the biological processes. Structural proteins, they provide support and structure to cells and tissues, examples, collagen and skin. Transport proteins, move substances with cells or across cells membranes. Hormones, regulate various physiological processes, examples, insulin and growth hormones. And we have antibodies, parts of the immune system defending against pathogens. And lastly, receptors. Transmit signals from the environment to cells. Example, neurotransmitter receptors. Protein diversity. There are thousands of different proteins in the human body, each with unique functions. The diversity enables a wide range of biological processes. Furthermore, the diversity of proteins within a given organism can also be influenced by factors such as genetic, environment, and lifestyle. Each organism has its own unique genetic code which determines the protein that can be produced by cells. Protein synthesis. Proteins are synthesized through the transcription and translation of genetic information. mRNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosome, where tRNA delivers amino acid for protein assembly. Protein synthesis begins in the nucleus of a cell with a process called transcriptions. 5. Protein folding. Protein folding is the process by which the amino acid chain of a protein adapts its final three-dimensional structure within a cell. This process is critical for the function of a protein, as it is the structure of protein that determines its function. In short, protein folding is critical for its function, and when misfolded, protein can lead to a disease. And lastly, we have protein regulation. Protein regulation regulates protein production to meet specific needs. Protein regulation refers to the various mechanisms cells use to control the expressions and activity of proteins within the cell. Proteins are essential for cellular functions, and their activity must be carefully regulated to ensure that they perform their function properly. Another mechanism of protein regulation is post-translational modification, which to the modification that occurs in a protein after it has been synthesized by the ribosome. Overall, protein regulation is a complex and highly regulated process that ensures that proteins perform their function properly and in accordance with the needs of the cell. By controlling the expression, localization, and activity of proteins, cells can adapt to changing conditions. In conclusion, proteins are the workhorses of life, performing diverse functions necessary for cellular and organismal survival. Understanding their structure and role is a must in biology and biochemistry.